Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a video, a DIY on how I make my pineapple flavored lip gloss named Pineapple Babe. And I'm sorry for the noises in the background, but so I'm going to show you guys the materials that I have. So I have this yellow mica, which is the pigment for my lip gloss, from Stardust Micas. I got it off of Amazon, and I got this for a really affordable price. So I got this mica off of Amazon. There you go. Then I have my squeeze tubes. I have my squeeze tubes here. I always do like an estimate what I think that, I'm gonna make. And then I have my syringe. There you go. And then I have my gloves. And then over here, you can't see, but it's the tops and the stoppers for my squeeze tubes. Then I have my pineapple flavoring that I got from Amazon also, from Loran Oils. I really recommend this brand. And then I have my grapeseed oil. And then I have my Versatile. It's all like, it's looking weird. Okay, so then of course I have my bowl and my spoon. Now let's put on my gloves because I'm getting started. I get started with my Versatile. So of course this is like about to run out, so I'm gonna try to use the rest of it. Really depends. So let's get started. So now I always get the 3.5 pound Versatile off of TKB Trading, because now like my lip gloss is in such high demand that I can't buy the 5 ounces anymore. I really like buying the big one because it will last you a long time, but it also depends on how much lip gloss you make for each of your lip glosses. So yeah. Okay, so I think this is all right. I might just add a little more, and with me I can actually tell, oh yeah, this is gonna make this much. And it also depends on the consistency of your lip gloss too. Now it doesn't matter. You can mix the mica and the oil all together, or you can put the oil in and then you can mix it. It really depends. So usually I just put the oil in to get the consistency that I want. Okay. There you go. Like, it's hard to explain, but I kind of eye everything, but most of the time all my glosses are usually the same consistency. Okay, then now I'm showing you guys how it looks. You can't really see the oil, but the oil is like right here. So then now I'm gonna mix it. See, you see how it kind of gets clumpy in a way? That's because the oil and the Versatile is combining together in it, and then it will turn into the wanted consistency. So all you gotta do is just keep on mixing it. There's nothing wrong with the Versatile, nothing. That's just how it is once it gets in contact with the oil. So there you go. Keep on mixing. And of course, once you put your flavoring oil, it's gonna get clumpy again. It also changes the consistency once again. Actually, I'm gonna add the mica, because the mica will kind of make it a little more thick. So here you go. Okay, with the mica, I like to grab another like spoon. I don't know if y'all could see it or not, but like it actually has some sparkle to it, which is really nice. It really depends. You don't want it too pigmented, because if you make it too pigmented, then your lips are gonna look yellow, and that's not true. So yeah, really. So then add a tiny bit more. Only goes to the edge. I don't do like a full like spoonful. So I usually add 2 of these, and then I mix it, and then I look at it, I look at the color, and I'm like, okay, maybe I should do 1 more of those. So then now I'm gonna do that. So then now, there you go. I'm gonna mix it, but you wanna mix it kind of carefully. Oops, because sometimes the mica can get stuck in the bowl, and then it's like a waste in a way. So you wanna mix it carefully. See? Because the mica will literally get everywhere. Okay, so this is good. So I'm just mixing it. Oh yeah, this will definitely need like one more little thing of the mica. Actually, yeah, maybe like a tiny bit more. See, it makes it thicker. It makes the consistency more thicker. But then once I add the pineapple flavoring, it's all gonna change, and that's just how it is when you make lip gloss. So actually, this is good. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more, a little bit more, not too much. See, that much. There you go. Because it does have a really nice shimmer in it, and I really like it. So I'm gonna screw the top back on, because I don't want. So now I'm just gonna add the pineapple flavoring. The pineapple flavoring, this is really strong, so I just do like 1 capful. Okay, so So then here you go. I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna move this to the side over here. So then for my pin pipes, I cut it like right here. There you go. So I'm gonna put that way. So there you go. And then I cut the little thing. I cut it like right here. There you go. So then now it looks like this, and usually like the white, the I guess the bigger hole or whatever, I attach it to my syringe. Hold on, let me take this off. There you go. And then all you gotta do is put it in here. And then I do this to make sure that it goes all the way down. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, and then now I put the Versatile, I scoop my lip gloss and I put it in here. To me, I find it way easier than like, you know, sucking it up. Because I feel like when I suck it up, I get a lot more air bubbles, by which we do not like. We just really do not like air bubbles. That's just like a big no-no to us. But yeah, I feel like this video is kind of different from my other DIY videos because I'm talking a lot. If you guys don't like that, then that's unfortunate. But yeah. So I'm going to link my website, and yeah, I'm going to link my website in the description box so y'all can go check out my website and probably maybe even purchase. I ship internationally, so I ship worldwide. So yeah. Okay. There you go. Now I made 4. I'm not sure if I should put these in wand tubes. I think I'm gonna put them in wand tubes. Like pops off and I'm like, ah. Yeah, oh, see, like with this one, I accidentally put like a tiny bit too much, but hopefully I have no problem. It's just it's like so satisfying watching it. But there, you put it up, put it up, put it up. Ah, right there. Good. Yeah, that's good. There you go. So then now I'm gonna do this. Since my gloves aren't sticky, so I know that my the squeeze tubes won't get all sticky and stuff. So then now I'm gonna get the stoppers. Here's the stoppers for my wand tubes. So I already did 3. So I got 1, 2, 3. So then now I'm gonna show you guys. So let's see which one's like perfect. Honestly, I don't know. Okay, this one's perfect. So then now I'm gonna put the stopper in. Don't leave it like that. Press down on it, make sure it's all good. Okay, there you go. And then I'm gonna grab, see, when you see some of the lip gloss in there, that's where it can pop off. So hopefully it doesn't pop off. Then you just screw it on. See, now it is. So there you go. That's how it looks in the wand tube. Yay. There you go. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and then now I'm gonna get one of the stoppers for my squeeze tube. There you go. So here's the stopper. Y'all can really see, but it's on my gloves. But so with these, you don't want to squeeze it, because if you squeeze it, it's gonna pop off. Or if you like already put it in, yeah. So that's good. Perfect. Ah! Perfect. And then now I'm gonna put the cap on. There you go. Yeah, so this is like a really nice lip gloss. It smells amazing. It feels amazing on the lips. I personally love all of the glosses. So like really, don't ask me which is my favorite lip gloss. Is like almost all of them are. There you go. Easy peasy. There you go. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Please let me know if you like this video better than my other ones, because the other ones I just, you know, I do like a quick voiceover, and like my videos like only like 5 minutes long or less. So if you like this video better, please let me know. And because I really like this video. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you as that. Like I said, my website is going to be in my description box, and y'all can go check it out. And yeah, thank you all for watching.